highest three syllabus. Business, spirituality and prosperity together. My etiquette as a business spiritual leader. Roylclustr. So it is distinguishably different from all types of past experiences of human species in different systems that is not suitable for MESSOULs. So, Royal Man-on system is the highest ways of one perceiving divinity everywhere. It's equal to God consciousness in human form to assimilate that type of cosmic knowledge with the highest version intervening among human beings to uplift them towards their legitimate right to be in that type of liberated life through being unit space. So, me space for MESSOULs. Those who have got doubts or confusions, how can they evolve? That is where confusionless is consciousness. Doubtlessness is awareness of the divinity within as soul consciousness, soul's power. Srathavan labhate jnanam samshayatma vinashyati. I don't have any doubt about myself. Souls do not have doubt about their own soul consciousness. All those who are feeling that type of awareness of one's own divinity, they will not talk untruth. They will never tarnish or malign anybody because they know their sole purpose to feel the love of God in human form and divine form and all types of form that propose blissfulness and happiness. So, there is meaning for life. Just existing is not life at all. Living and leading that type of awareness, and there is meaning for Nijess yogic life with fastest evolution in the history of humankind through various methodologies that suit to make evolution quite interesting aspect in human way of one seeing and perceiving divinity through ME spirituality. There is more wonderful things to believe that from time to time somebody arrives not with the time, with brightness of the heart and the feeling of the light energies. Then I say, in me, it is love light energy of the cosmic ways of, oh yes, cosmos, oh. How can anybody imagine that type of cosmic realities unless and until One sees the sun and moon and planet and various galaxies and stars. How many of you are looking at that type of cosmic wonder? That's why space is beautiful, wonderful. With that space, many should know how to live in tune with ME spirituality for fastest evolution in the history of humankind with original consciousness. Men do not live with food alone, but with the words of God too. Somebody has said that type of words in the past, and a great spiritual person who was a savior who declared to his followers that Name Bhatta Pranashyati. All those who are in Satya Sai consciousness, they should feel that type of awareness of a divine person who had been seen in India since 1920s onwards to 2000 era. And that was the beginning of a millennium foundation for a new golden age with clarity of a visionary path. And who is seen in that Sai consciousness? Sai is the godly, divine name where many can feel that type of awareness of divinity. Those who do not like the name Sai, they are not fit to be called spiritual personalities. Why? Sai is not a religious name of Muslims or Christians or Hindus. It's a spiritual name of new millennium towards a Satya Yoga. Venagolamena Vaishnavaya, that talks about awareness of the Supreme to feel east, west, south, north, finding unity through UNIQUEST leading space with spiritual incarnations of the past, whether it is Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Jesus, doesn't make any difference for such souls to perceive awareness of cosmic realities of love. Nobody is above love. Love transcends. Love purifies. Love gives that type of power too. That love is not an ordinary love. It is spiritual love, subjective love, God-conscious love. Then one doubt about the words of wisdom and the power of knowledge and the uplifting process and various wonderful things to feel that youth in me or the future generations are getting their ancestral domains of manons for the sake of getting imparted or imbibing that type of spiritual knowledge, Nijess yogic life. Nine is an auspicious number in creativity. Those who have got creativity, they know how to program the mind and the subconscious mind. Programming the mind and subconscious mind leads to creative instincts to create a new millennium itself with love and values of divinity. So souls gathering, soul's version always bestow that type of awareness to feel one's own divine nature and spiritual culture. Then Nijja Raja Yogic power pranayama and various methodologies of meditation bestows a happy learning and beautifully perceiving one's own calmness, quietude in meditations. Power meditations, power tranquility, power pranayamic waves, everything makes faster evolution to suit to the modern life. Almost all are living with gadgets. If their brain cells are affected by the wrong energies, what type of vision they will have, or attitude, or emotions? That is where spirituality is not a blemish. Spirituality is a life of wisdom, life of values, life of energies, life of frequencies, a life of materializing anything for wonderful, beautiful life with clarity of a vision and a mission. The messengers of yogic love, messengers of love, religion of yogic love, religion of love, with crystal clear definition, talks about that type of awareness of feeling, that type of oneness of entire human species in me unit space to feel, not in a religious cult or atheist cult, but the cult of creating conducive atmosphere for growth stories, the Nijja Raja Yoga Vriksha. That tree makes more wonderful design to be in the awareness of a new millennium. So, all those who are in tune with me, I talk casual words for the sake of those who are really waiting for me. Those who are my enemies, conspirators, and various other jealousies, they cannot feel my presence. Let them live in their own ways. There is no harm in that. All those who really want to be a part of my vision, they should have the clarity of a visionary path and the whole Nijess, waves, and various wonderful things to create huge wealth to serve humanity. An original from heart to heart, soul to soul, in his business, spirituality, and prosperity together for future generations. No renunciation at all, but reconciliation that will take care of future generations to think about that floating life in the cosmos and through everybody's mind to feel the love of God, love of divinity. Straight, straight right, straight left, straight straight. Straight left is for women empowering, straight right is for men empowering, straight straight is soul consciousness. All are together in me consciousness, and so that we are going to be together in traveling ways too. Soulmates, teammates, Prem Sandesh Yatras, Prem Sandesh Sanjar. Left you all, few words only for the sake of me brand from 6:30 to 6:30, 12 systems. Almost all systems are incorporated for the beautiful, wonderful ways of one perceiving divinity. Then it is a royal ways of securing souls and living with highest clarity of a vision and cosmic power. Souls ways, bridging the gap between past and future. That's me again here. I have got my own experience of the past incarnations. Now also I am experiencing human life in this planet. And with that, I know that why I am here in this planet, or those who really want to be a part of it, if they feel they are born for me, they can find me everywhere, especially through ME spirituality, messengers of yogic love, Nijess yogic life, business spiritual leader and a philosopher, fashionable dress code, most modern way of life, and it is MESSOULS, Royal Menons and MESSOULS